You are going to love the 2016 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, engine block heater, remote power door locks, running boards, leather seats, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.